Acquaintance rape, also known as date rape, is a hidden crime. Studies show that the late teens and early 20s are the peak ages for its prevalence. Acquaintance rape is largely unreported. In fact, less than 2% of all rapes are reported in the country. Over the last few months, we spoke to a number of young urban women across two cities, Delhi and Bangalore, to activists, psychologists and academics to find that they perceived acquaintance rape as a real and common threat.
They want a girlfriend, a really wali girlfriend.
These women were educated, part of the upper middle class, and were tagged as free and independent. Yet they had seen themselves or their friends subjected to sexual harassment in private spaces and in social situations. The perpetrator was often someone they trusted, a boyfriend, a colleague, an acquaintance, or a male relative.
Both the hands, full from ear to ear. We were in a group, and there was a vodka mixed in our drink and she was all high. She was not in a limit also, she was badly high and, many things wrong could have happened that time, but thankfully we girls, 2 or 3 friends of mine, we just looked into the matter and we just, snatched her from there. But like nowadays, what I feel is, you should just not trust anyone. People just, pass on your number in seconds, you don't even get to know. And in a line you have, calls and messages from unknown numbers for friendship or, meet up and all shitty things. So now even your friends are just not true with you. Some of my friends find it weird, but then I'm just not interested in night parties. I've heard many incidents and I don't find, good to go out at night for pubs and all.
See, I'm a teenage girl and I go to college. So I see a lot of my friends undergoing the same problem, like with their boyfriends especially, like way to say yes and way to say a no. Like when it came to having a physical relationship, she was forced upon it. Many girls are also like threatened to say yes.
Yes, I have faced quite a few situations. In fact, all through your life you face situations. You face family members who are trying to get something out of you. So you have inappropriate behavior which you have to resist to. So you develop own mechanisms when you're exposed to such things.
I remember there's this very well publicized incident in IIT Kanpur. A lot of colleges for the annual fest, like my college, Lady Shri Ram, and other colleges from Delhi University had gone for the fest. It was in the news all over that, all of the boys, there was eve teasing, there was inappropriate touching and, molestation. And it was shocking because IIT is such a prestigious institution and, intelligent and people from good families. That is what is expected, that these kind of men and women come to study there. And seeing something like this happen there, it just makes you wonder, what kind of people will graduate. This is the future of India. These men and women will become engineers or computers or scientists or whatever. So it really makes you wonder. And the girls who came back, and it's traumatizing for anybody.
It's not just like the faceless stranger on the road that makes you feel uncomfortable. And these are situations which you can be in at any given point of time.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.